Hi guys, so we have already learned in the previous videos what TCP and UDP connections are and how they work. We have also implemented TCP and UDP connections in C language for file transfer and making a calculator. Today we are going to learn to make TCP and UDP connections in the Python programming language. The first problem statement that we will be dealing with is to write a program using TCP sockets for wired network to implement A, peer-to-peer chat, and B, multi-user chat. Before we begin, let us understand what peer-to-peer chat and a multi-user chat is. A peer-to-peer chat is a communication between two nodes or users without any involvement of a centralized server. मतलब एक central server जैसी कोई चीज़ होती ही नहीं है peer-to-peer chat में. Everybody is connected to one another directly. But we already know from previous videos that in case of a TCP connection, there has to be one client and a server between whom a three-way handshake procedure takes place. So then how can we implement peer-to-peer chat using TCP जब peer-to-peer chat में server जैसी कोई चीज़ ही centralized server जैसी कोई चीज़ ही नहीं होती and TCP में server बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Here goes the difference. In peer-to-peer chat, instead of a client and a server, there exists one conversation initiator that initiates a conversation and acts like a server. And there exists one conversation connector that connects to the conversation that was earlier initiated, and this conversation connector acts like a client. So let me write it down here for you. Peer-to-peer chat में होता है एक conversation initiator that acts like a server and a conversation connector that acts like a client. So now that we've understood peer-to-peer chat, let's understand what multi-user chat is. A multi-user chat consists of a centralized server. इसमें ध्यान रखो कि centralized server होता है. Multi-user chat consists of a centralized server which handles messages sent by multiple users. So multi-user chat consists of a centralized server which handles messages sent by multiple users. यानी कि more than one users are connected to each other through a server. मतलब एक user message भेजेगा, that message will be sent to the server first, and then server will broadcast that message to all other people connected to the same server. So I hope multi-user chat and peer-to-peer chat is clear to everybody right now. So now that we've understood what these two things are, let us try to understand how TCP connections work in Python first.